So I picked up this box. So it only like three packs left. So it's gonna be difficult because I find 4 autographs per box on average, and then you're gonna have like a couple of numbered cards. So who knows how much what was picked up, what wasn't. I might get a couple autographs. I might get nothing. I might get some, autograph, or the numbered cards. And who knows, I might not. But that would be interesting to see. And I've already had picked up some of these before. And yes, there's Drew Brees, Peyton Manning, Barry Sanders, Ramsey, Juju Smith, Tebow Samuel. And so like the playoffs are set with like Green Bay playing San Francisco, and then you have Tampa Bay playing Detroit Lions. Daniel Carlson, Najee Harris, Donovan McNabb, Sterling Shepard, Dawson Knox. Then you have like Buffalo playing Kansas City in Buffalo. And then you have like Houston visiting the Baltimore Ravens. And Hubbard. Oh, okay, yeah, so that's like just a regular parallel, no numbered. Tanner McKee. Mark Jackson, you got Justin Bieber inserts. Another insert, and then you have like all these rookie cards. Darius Davis, Kenny McIntosh, Devin Witherspoon, Evans, KJ Henry, Sean Tucker, Andre Carter the second, Garrett Gray, Clark Phillips. It's always interesting to see what, some of these rookies, if they pan out or not. A lot of times, tops would only have like, if they played, a long time ago, long time ago. It's during the 70s. And you see like Upper Deck kind of, in the 90s, they kind of did a lot of that. And then they kind of shortened it to only a few rookies, maybe 30 rookies. Yeah, let's see here. So Justin Fields, Marshall Lattimore, Paris Campbell, Devin Hester, Joe Montana, Aaron Donald, Mike Williams, Isaiah Pacheco, T. Higgins, Zach Ertz, and they even have a punter there. Patrick Peterson, Tony Pollard, Ahmad Sauce Gardner, Jalen Hurts, Jason Kelsey, Donovan Peoples Jones, Jacoby Myers, Von Miller, Tyson Baggett, and that's like another kind of like a parallel, but then no numbered. And Jalen Hurts. There's Brock Purdy, Breakthrough, Tank Bigsby. Oh, a Joe Klecko autograph. So I did get like an autograph. Well, it's one of those things I've also have. Maybe I'll figure out if there's a Jets fan, because I pulled one of Klecko beforehand. Jalen Hyatt, Hendon Hooker, Jaden Reed, Kendry Miller, Henry Tuoto'o, yes, Vershawn Johnson. That guy right now. Rakeem Jarrett. Devin Knockney. Okay, I'll replace Will Anderson Jr. Okay. So, final one. DeAndre Swift. Oh, he's now with the Eagles. Michael Pittman Jr., Tyrann Mathieu, A.J. Dillon, and Chuba Hubbard, Warren Moon with the Houston Oilers. I think these only that they played with the Houston Oilers that they have in the set. Cam Akers, Austin Eckler, Randy Moss, Jarius Sneed, James Conner, Andrew Thielen, Justin Reddick, Alex Highsmith, Bailey Zappi, Nyheim Hines, Eli Manning, Andrew Wiley, Breece Hall, Josh Allen. Here's John Robinson, CJ Stroud draft. Put that there. Oh, how about that? A second. Wow, so this is pretty good. I got a second autograph. Gabriel Davis. Cam Smith. Tucker Kraft. Xavier Hutchinson. Dorian Thompson-Robinson. Brian Brees. Mohamed Abraham. Marco Williams and Cameron Latu. So, all right, so three packs, 2 autographs. So that was pretty good. Pretty good, it's like, there's usually like, 10 packs. Let's see here. See some of these up there. I've got like a couple of these draft ones from CJ Stroud in this set. Haven't pulled a actual rookie card of his, but it's like kind of interesting to see what how first year quarterback make it to the and then you had like his coach too. DeMarco Ryans was an awesome linebacker. Here's that one. So now I just got to think of like a Jets fan that likes Klecko, or maybe if I put on eBay, I don't know. Since I have 2 of them. And then there's Stroud. So anyhow, that's the score. Probably keep that box like that way. So that way it's kind of interesting to see it, kind of the way it's on display. Okay, well, have fun. On to the next division round.